Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how I install a front grille air intake mesh to protect the radiator from collecting all sorts of debris and then having a major bill to repair or replace the radiator or cause other problems in the car. So let's get started. Here you can see an example of a few clogged radiators of different Teslas, and it's inevitable because the intake is very low to the ground, and if you have leaves, they'll be sucked in and stay there. And also it could also get stuck in the flap. There's also a automatic flap that closes and opens as the car needs air to cool or to do a heat exchange with the radiator. So let's start with the installation. First of all, I gotta tell you that I installed it incorrectly first. So this would be my recommendation. First, you have to remove the meshes from the base. This way you can see that the clamps actually attached to the plastic of the grill. And also, because this is two pieces, you need to start with the left side as opposed where I started with the right side, because the way that they attach together. And I already figured out that I made it a little bit wrong, and I pulled the other side just so it can go over the left side. At this point, I decided to remove the mesh. This way I could tell where the clips actually got to the right position, because I don't want this to fall out. I don't know if it's going to fall out, but I wanted to make sure. So I went on and pulled those tabs, and this way the screen can go out so you can clean it, which is a nice way to do it. And then I realized that the clip was going under and not above as it should be. So I pulled it out and put it back in. And that's why you should probably remove the mesh and not have it connected when installing. I did the same thing on the other side as well. And that was it. I actually highly recommend this. This is a great solution. And the mesh, by the way, is not plastic. It's made out of metal. So it won't break in the winter or, deteriorate as time go by. All right, so if you have any questions, if you want to check out this product, the link is in the description and the pinned comment. If you have any questions, comments, put it in the comment box. Please subscribe to see some other videos of mine. And if you want to be alerted, click that notification bell. I would highly appreciate that. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.